AutoDS versus DSers. Which is better? If you're in dropshipping, you've probably heard of these two automation tools, but which one is the best for your business? Let's break it down. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping solution that automates product research, price monitoring, order fulfillment, inventory management, and even customer support. It supports multiple suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, and Shopify integrated stores, making it a versatile choice for scaling. It also offers AI-powered product recommendations and automated price optimization, helping sellers stay competitive. AutoDS is best for those who want full automation, deep analytics, and an all-in-one dashboard without manual work. DSers, on the other hand, is specifically designed for AliExpress dropshipping and is officially partnered with AliExpress. It focuses on bulk order processing, advanced supplier management, and cost-efficient fulfillment. DSers allows users to process hundreds of orders in a few clicks and provides a supplier optimizer feature to find the best priced products. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, making it an excellent choice for AliExpress-based sellers who prioritize bulk processing and affordability. Which one is better? It depends on your business model. If you're focused solely on AliExpress, DSers is the clear winner due to its efficiency, lower pricing, and bulk order management. However, if you want access to multiple suppliers, advanced automation, and AI-powered features, AutoDS is the better choice. AutoDS has a higher learning curve and is more expensive, but it provides deeper automation and better analytics. DSers is more budget-friendly and streamlined for AliExpress users, but lacks the versatility of AutoDS. Final verdict. Choose DSers if you want a cost-effective AliExpress automation tool with bulk order management. Choose AutoDS if you need a fully automated, multi-supplier dropshipping platform with powerful AI features. Either way, both tools save time, reduce manual work, and help scale your dropshipping business. The choice comes down to your specific needs.